So hi, everyone. Thanks for being here to start the second day of the GFRA 2021 conference. Today, we will have 2 keynotes and 3 oral sessions dealing with the virological, epidemiological, and pathogenic and immunological aspects of foot and mouth disease. After the oral sessions, there will be time for poster presenters to interact with other attendees in Gather Town. Please remember you can join Gather Town during the coffee breaks to meet each other in private areas to increase networking, and that Gather Town remains open 24 hours during the time of the conference. Also, if you can't attend the poster exhibition in real time, you can access the e-poster hall on demand in the main hall of the platform, where you will find the recorded presentations sent by all authors and watch them on demand. In the main hall of the platform, behind the help desk, you can also find the abstract book with the complete program of the conference. So to begin with today's program, it is my great pleasure to introduce Professor Dr. Haishue Sheng, who is the General Director of Lanzhou Veterinary Research Institute at the Chinese Academy of Agricultural Sciences. Professor Sheng is an expert of the OIE National Foot and Mouth Disease Reference Laboratory. He started working on RNA viruses in his graduate study and has been engaged in the research on pathogenesis and immune evasion of FMDV and various animal viruses since then. He contributed to the development of the first single plasmid reverse genetics system for FMDV, and his studies allowed for the identification of many novel functions of picornaviral proteins and the mechanisms employed by FMDV for immune evasion. Professor Sheng has published more than 100 papers in high-impact journals, and he developed 5 commercial vaccines for foot and mouth disease, 1 inactivated vaccine for Seneca virus A, as well as several diagnostic methods. In the last years, his investigations have focused on fundamental aspects of virus-host interplay and pathogenesis of FMDV, and in the development of new generation vaccines for FMD and African swine fever. In the next keynote lecture, he will talk about innate immune evasion by foot and mouth disease virus infection. Please remember to write down your questions in the chat box so we can discuss them after the talk. Thank you.